In iOS 18, a new attachment icon centralizes how we add items to body text in Apple Notes. From the bottom going up, you can scan text instead of typing it. Scan Documents lets you scan notes using the native iPhone scanning technology. You can also take photos and videos with your iPhone camera, or add them from your Photos library. Attach Files takes you to the Files app, where you can add any file or document that is supported in the app. So that is PDFs, images, audio, videos, etc. The app can only attach one attachment at a time. Another way to add files from the Files app is by long pressing where you want to attach it to bring up the pop-up menu. And go to Attach File. On the iPhone now, it has too many steps.